Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you join us for another in-depth stock analysis. If there's a particular stock you'd like us to cover in a future video, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that matters to you. Also, if you enjoy our work and want to support us, consider buying us a coffee. Every bit helps us upgrade our equipment and bring you even better videos. Now let's dive into today's analysis, where we'll be putting Avgo Broadcom Inc. under the microscope. Ready to explore every angle? Let's get started. Today our focus is on Avgo, also known as Broadcom Inc. This company has been making waves in the tech sector, and its stock has caught the attention of many investors. We'll be analyzing its recent performance, technical indicators, and potential scenarios for the near future. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding Avgo's current position can help you make more informed decisions. So let's break down the numbers and trends that are shaping Avgo's journey in the market. Over the past 3 months, Avgo has experienced significant volatility, but the overall trend has been upward. Starting from around 249.99 in June, the stock surged to a high of 374.23 in September before pulling back slightly to 346.17 by September 17. This marks a substantial gain of about 38% from its June starting point. Despite the recent pullback, the medium to long-term outlook remains bullish, although some short-term weakness has emerged. Let's see what's driving these movements. Trading volume has played a key role in Avgo's recent price action. On September 5, a volume spike to over 78 million shares coincided with a significant price jump. Similarly, high volumes on September 10 and 17 marked notable price movements. The pattern of higher highs and higher lows points to an uptrend, but periods of consolidation and the latest pullback are worth noting. The Chaikin oscillator is currently negative, indicating some money flow out of the stock, which could be a sign of caution for short-term traders. Avgo is currently trading above most of its moving averages, which typically signals a bullish trend. The 5-day SMA and EMA are both above the current price, suggesting some short-term bearish momentum. However, the 200-day SMA and EMA are well below the current price, reinforcing the long-term bullish outlook. The alignment of shorter-term EMAs above longer-term EMAs further supports this momentum, though recent price action has slightly weakened the signal. Let's look at the technical indicators. The MACD is positive, indicating bullish momentum, while the RSI sits in neutral territory, suggesting the stock is neither overbought nor oversold. Williams %R and MFI also point to neutral conditions. Stochastic indicators are neutral as well, and the CCI is positive, indicating some upward momentum. The ADX suggests a strong trend, and the Arun up confirms the upward movement, though recent pullbacks have weakened these signals. The ultimate oscillator supports a neutral outlook. Although exact linear regression values aren't provided, the upward price movement and the stock's position above moving averages suggest a positive slope. The TSF14 value is above the current price, hinting at potential for upward movement in the short term. This supports the overall bullish trend, even as the market digests recent gains and consolidates. Looking ahead to the next trading day, the recent pullback in the closing price of 346.17 suggests the stock could open relatively flat, possibly between 345 and 350. While there's some short-term weakness, the fact that Avgo remains above key moving averages limits the downside potential. Traders should watch for any shifts in momentum as the market opens. Immediate resistance for Avgo is around 360, a level that has recently acted as a barrier. If the stock breaks above this, the next resistance is at 374.23, which was the recent high. These levels are crucial for traders to monitor, as a breakout could signal a continuation of the uptrend and attract more buying interest. On the support side, the first key level is around 340, which aligns with the 5-day EMA. Another support is at the 10-day SMA of 348.26, which is actually above the current price, highlighting recent weakness. With the current price close to both support and resistance, Avgo is in a consolidation phase, and traders should be alert for any decisive moves. ATR14 value of 13.75 indicates that Avgo typically moves within a daily range of about 13.75 points. Based on this, the stock could swing up to 359.92 or down to 332.42 in the next session. This wide range reflects the recent volatility and means traders should be prepared for movement in either direction, though the overall trend remains slightly upward. In a bullish scenario, Avgo resumes its upward trend, breaking above the 360 resistance and potentially reaching the recent high of 374.23 or even higher. This would likely be supported by increasing volume on up days and improving technical indicators. For traders with a bullish outlook, watching for a breakout above resistance is key. Avgo continues to trade between 340 and 360. We're looking at a neutral scenario. This range-bound movement suggests the market is consolidating and waiting for a clear signal. During these periods, it's important for traders to be patient and avoid making hasty decisions. Monitoring volume and technical indicators can help identify when a breakout or breakdown might occur. In a bearish scenario, Avgo breaks below the 340 support level and could fall to 320 or lower. This would be indicated by increasing volume on down days and declining technical indicators. Traders should be cautious and consider risk management strategies if the stock starts to show signs of further weakness. Currently, Avgo is in a consolidation phase after a significant run-up. This means the stock is taking a breather as traders digest recent gains and decide on the next direction. Consolidation phases are common after strong trends and can set the stage for the next big move, whether up or down. Technical indicators for AVGO are sending mixed signals. While some point to continued bullish momentum, others suggest caution and a possible pause in the uptrend. This uncertainty is why a wait-and-see approach may be best for now, with close attention paid to volume patterns and key support and resistance levels. Given the current neutral conditions and recent pullback, it's crucial for traders to use proper risk management. Setting stop-loss orders, diversifying positions, and not overcommitting to a single trade can help protect your capital. Remember, even in a bullish trend, markets can surprise us, so always be prepared. Watching volume patterns is key to understanding AVGO's next move. Increasing volume on up days supports a bullish case, while rising volume on down days could signal further weakness. Volume often precedes price, so keep an eye on these shifts for early clues about the stock's direction. Sum up, AVGO has delivered a strong performance over the past 3 months, gaining about 38% despite a recent pullback. The technical outlook is neutral to bullish, with the stock consolidating after a big run. Traders should watch for a break above resistance or a failure at support to determine the next move. Stay alert and manage your risk carefully. As always, the market can be unpredictable. While AVGO shows signs of strength, mixed technical signals mean it's wise to remain cautious. Keep monitoring the charts, stay updated on news, and don't hesitate to adjust your strategy as new information emerges. Your discipline and patience will pay off in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know which stock you'd like us to analyze next. And if you'd like to support our channel, consider buying us a coffee. It helps us keep improving our content and equipment. See you in the next video.